Welcome to Next Level, Uncommon Diabetic. I am feeling kind of under the weather, and so is my partner Heath. I have the greatest thing for self-soothing. They are wellness shots, and when I feel good, I make a batch of these and I freeze. It's part of my meal prep, and they're always great and handy at times like this. And I use the cubes and put into hot tea, or I just use it as a concentrated shot, and I add my vitamins and my home remedy oils or essentials. Enjoy the video and hope it helps you during your moments of not feeling great. Washed and ready to go. My peeled oranges, organic lemons, and ginger, and my favorite juicer.